Hello children, welcome back to PN Amasi e-learning classes. Let's continue with the chapter number 17, active and passive voice. Today we will do the writing section. So children, are you ready with the writing section? Take out your textbook, page number 83. We will do the exercise 1. Read the sentence given below and state whether they are in the active or passive voice. One has been done for you. The verb has been underlined to make it easier for you to recognize the voice of the sentence. So children, take out your pencil, open your book, page number 83, and as I am dictating the answers, you start writing the answers. Listen very carefully and then you start writing the answers. So first one is done for you. The horses have been bought at the carnivals. So it is passive voice. Second is the cat killed the rat. So children, this is active voice. Write the answer, active voice. Then third one, Kamal sang a lovely song. This is also active voice. The trees were cut down by the evil people. This one is passive voice. Sher Khan attacked Mowgli. This is active voice. The cupboard was made by the carpenter. This is passive voice. The gardener planted the bushes. This is active voice. The batsman hit the ball for a six. It is active voice. Gifts were distributed by the president. It is passive voice. The deer was chased by the tiger. This is passive voice. So children, I hope you all have written down the answer. Even I will send you the PDF also. Now we will move to the exercise number 2. Now children, for this exercise 2, 3 and 4, you need to write in the CW book. So now you take out your CW book also and you copy down the heading. Question number 2, change the following active sentence into passive voice. One has been done for you. So the first one is done for you. Binoy won the race, and the answer is the race was won by Binoy. Second one is Jeevan threw the garbage. So your answer will be the garbage was thrown by Jeevan. Again I am repeating, the garbage was thrown by Jeevan. Then third one is the painters painted the building. So your answer will be the building was painted by the painters. The building was painted by the painters. Then next one is the king punished the criminals. So your answer will be the criminals were punished by the king. The criminals were punished by the king. Then last one, I picked up the book. So your answer will be the book was picked up by me. Now let's move to the question number 3. Change the following passive sentences into active voice. Now here the sentence is given in the form of passive voice. You have to change it into active voice. One has been done for you. The medicine was given by the doctor, and the answer is the doctor gave the medicine. Next, question number 2. The lights were switched on by the watchman, and the answer is the watchman switched on the lights. The watchman switched on the lights. Then third one is Pawan was awarded by the principal. So the answer will be the principal awarded Pawan. The principal awarded Pawan. The car was driven by Neil. Next question is the car was driven by Neil. The answer is Neil drove the car. Neil drove the car. Next one, last one is, these words were said by Gaurav. These words were said by Gaurav, and the answer is, Gaurav said these words. Gaurav said these words. Now, let's move to the question number 4. Change the following sentence into active or passive voice. So, you have to change the following sentence into active or passive voice. Now, you have to see first whether it is a active or passive. If it is active sentence, then you have to change it into passive sentence. Or if it is passive sentence, then you have to change into active sentence. So, the first one is, the boy stopped his work. The boy stopped his work. So, write the answer. The work was stopped by the boy. The work was stopped by the boy. This was the active voice. So, we have to change into passive voice. Second one is, reading is enjoyed by Sarah. Reading is enjoyed by Sarah. So, the answer is, Sarah enjoys reading. Sarah enjoys reading. Third one, the horse was beaten by the rider. The horse was beaten by the rider. The answer is, the rider beat the horse. The rider beat the horse. Next one, Neha wrote a letter. Answer is, a letter was written by Neha. The cycle was painted by Kaushal, and the answer is, Kaushal painted the cycle. Next one, Tara kept the keys on the bench, and the answer is, the keys were kept on the bench by Tara. The poster was painted by the artist. The answer is, the artist painted the poster. Harish was defeated by Som. Harish was defeated by Som. So, answer is, Som defeated Harish. Next one, Katrina pushed Shiba. Katrina pushed Shiba, and the answer is, Shiba was pushed by Katrina. Shiba was pushed by Katrina. Last one, the cart was pulled by the donkey. The cart was pulled by the donkey, and the answer is, the donkey pulled the cart. The donkey pulled the cart. So children, with this we have completed the exercise. I will send you the PDF also. Till then, stay safe.